And welcome my friend. And then my friend, I am planning to give you information that how to replace this Toyota Corolla's key lock. And there is also immobilizer in that part and how we can take that away. And now I have already removed that steering wheel and I need to open now these dashboard bolts in here that I can take away these plastic things in here, and then we can see that how this key lock is possible to replace. And of course remember that if we replace that key lock, then we need to replace also this car computer and also maybe some these electric devices in here inside in this cabin area, like in that one, and then in here I believe that there is some things also. But let's look firstly when I replace this key lock. Okay, and now when we look at Toyota key lock removal, I have take some of these components in this dashboard away, and there is now free. And then when we look at area, this is this keys, this keyless, this system what controls this keys security, this keys pin, that part. What is this important? That this part connects to this key, and that we have to always remember that when we replace our key, then we have to also replace some of these security devices. And this is this transponder key, and this check really this pin inside in this my key. And then when I take that my key away, there is small pin in this upper area, and when I use my flathead screwdriver, I only press that like in this way, and then when I press that in, then I can at the same time I can take this lock away. There was important that I have to rotate this key in this position, and then when I press this one specific position down, this key lock comes out. Now we have nice view. And now when I take my key and I press that slot, and at the same time in one position, this is possible to remove. Not in this position, it goes like deeper, and now it opens. Only one position and it opens. Good.